Okay, in this vid, we've got a 2002 WRX. This is quite a long story. So 3 years ago, fella brought us almost this exact same car for rust repair. It was way beyond repairing. The rear trailing arms had rusted off of the unibody, among many other severe rust issues. We got him to entertain the idea of getting a donor car. We went out and found this 02 WRX sedan. It's a 2-owner car, like essentially completely rust-free. We got it for $2,400. We drove it home. We stripped all the WRX stuff out of it, and then we completely V7 STI swapped it. We did all the bushings along the way, and now we've got it completely mechanically sound and ready for the dyno. And then next year, we're going to follow up with the body and paint. So putting the skirts back on. We've got the STI roof vane as well to go on. And it should be a pretty sweet car. That was definitely the right direction to go for this guy. After selling all the WRX stuff out of this car, like the motor, drivetrain, seats, and whatnot, he was into this body for like $500 and ended up with a way better result than trying to fix his extremely rusted chassis. And that's it. So here we go, and let's see how she does. For the exhaust stuff on this car, it has a GT Customs equal length header. I think these runners are 1.8 inch diameter, individual per cylinder, and then they join up to 2 and to 1. It has a Grimspeed up pipe, 44 mil external wastegate, catted down pipe, and then a 3-inch exhaust. Under the hood, it has a cold air intake with a custom little duct we did to get some air to it. Kind of custom routed AOS we did, so we welded a bracket in there to hold it there because we didn't like it there because it was already too crowded and then makes it difficult to get in there for service. It has an open to atmosphere blow-off valve. It has meth injection going in the bottom of the intercooler. The turbo is a large TD05. I'm not too sure of the brand, but it's got a big billet wheel in the front and it's very ported. He's got a silicone inlet, 1000cc injectors in there. And then I think either a Walbro or an AEM high flow pump. And then he's got the thick aluminum rad and a 3-port boost control solenoid. This car has the full functioning AVCS. We did the wiring through the bulkhead harness to the JDM version 7 ECU. So this is going to be tuned open source, and I'll see if the trunk will open. We can show you our little mounting of the meth stuff. It's got a whole bunch of cool gauges in her, some defies. So there's our little tank. It's got a handy bottle holder there, so you can always have a bonus bottle on hand when needed. And then this is welded right to the chassis, so it's super sturdy. Let's see if we can fire up these cool gauges for you. So it's got the meth controllers in the glove box because we're running out of room. It's got this cool little Defy control unit for setting the gauges. Oh, tunes bumping. Yeah, even in the interior is all the whole version 7 interior. I think these the seats came from a Hawkeye, but the back is the Bugeye. He's got all the cool door cards and carpet.